Kumshibenta pendang ai mensiam cucu ikhna puli ki bawan syakmat hakakardan banikong haka examine secondary living certificate jongsnam arjar arpoi bat arjar arpoar ki badin Jirang konsensi kila sya pynkup burom menta kasi ka khatndru trik naitung hak conservation training institute CTI bernihat di boy district hak bau ba sesen sotun MLA ke Jirang ula pynkup burom iki habakran hakate ke jelang ba sesen sotun MLA ulai thu bana kaliang jong u kum unong mikmat ulas dange kani ke jing pynkup burom nadu nam arja kapra Hadien pat khlam la ban penlong ikani program man pynkup burom iki khun samla puli ka dei na kadaw jong ka jing khangla jong ka jing wan dan shop khlam covid-19 ha ka jala bat hakari hi borok koi kumta la penlong pynkup burom lang no iki khun samla puli ba pas ba hai examen SSLC nadu usnam arja arpo hadu usnam arja arpuar la sakhi lang daga jindol nang UMDC ke Jirang konsensi wa Victorani kinongi lamba khamat jong ka party NPP Jirang konsensi kinongi ka school ki bakuntup nadu ki principal jong school pair jong ka Jirang konsensi.
I would like to express myself that it really makes me very happy and it makes me joyful when I can hear each year any results that comes out, and if the message reach to us that one school, the other school, they are 10, 15, 20 first divisions and many successful students have performed in their own respective year's exam. It makes us proud, not only for you, but for all of us, and for the teachers, for the principals of each school. If the students will come with flying colors, it will really make the principals, the school authorities, the teachers, the parents feel very proud of.